If you're a social media marketer and you're looking for affordable, professional way to advertise your business, you're certainly in the right place. So keep watching this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a website for your social media marketing business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites yet, multi-sites was built to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, just like you, so you have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to make my way to the top and search for my market, social media marketer. There it is over there. Let's select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's change this to service, click on continue, and let multi sites work its magic, create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or be a web professional of any sort. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address for my businesses. And I'm going to make sure that email address is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. If you have a physical location, go ahead and put it over here. If you don't have one, you can leave it off. But if you do have one, the great thing about that physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can go ahead and pop in your business profiles for your social media marketing business or service. Pop them in over here, and the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Really great for your CEO as well and to get more followers on social media platforms. In the next section, I'm going to go ahead and update my logo. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil over it and you can make slight amendments to your logo, like cropping it, rotating, zoom in, add filters, frames. Otherwise, click on save if you're happy. And on the right here is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that little paint bucket. So many color options to choose from, and they're all completely free for you to use as well. And you don't need to know color coding at all. Awesome. So play around with those color palettes, see what works best for you and your business. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Over here, head on over to update image first. Browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, you can connect your Instagram account and pull in all your images from your Instagram feed, your profile. So it makes it really easy to make your website more personalized and suitable for your business. So you can do that. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. Head on over to update action to change those buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and you can also change where all the buttons link to. You can link to another website if need be and action. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file of your various services and rates, maybe your social media packages. Under update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you to suit your business needs. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that. Awesome. Look at that. Everything looks absolutely fantastic. Over here in the last sections where your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries, all they need to do is put in their details, click on send. You will get notified via your registered email with your multi site account that you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain for your business yet, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Click on this button to set it up. Otherwise, you can purchase your own domain, custom one, by clicking on this green button to make your website look even more personalized. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your social media marketing services, and really wishing you and your business mighty success.